And on this fine June 24th, cough syrup becomes a superhero. Ambroxol's odd new role baffles pharmacists worldwide. 12 months, Parkinson's patients tested. Ambroxol stabilizes symptoms, keeps brain damage from winning. Turns out, this syrup boosts brain enzymes, making forgetfulness a bit less forgettable. Who knew? So that's where this genius plan lands us. Surprised? Or did you call it? Let me know your predictions for this dumpster fire's next chapter below. That's our download. Prove it on GlowTest and subscribe.